What is up, everyone? It's been kind of a crazy day. We have been on kid watch for Sadie and Ella, and it's really windy. We had a really bad thunderstorm last night. We woke up, there was no baby goats when we woke up, but we did wake up to Carla having her baby, which we weren't expecting at all. But Jesse and I had to run into town to do some errands, and I just happened to look on the camera, and it looks like we have some baby goats in the barn. So let's head into the barn and see what we have. It looks like we literally just missed the birth. They are still wet. Oh, hi. Oh my goodness. So let's get these little guys cleaned up. Oh my goodness. Hi. Oh, they're so tiny. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't make my plastic, baby. Hi. Hi. Here's a little boy. Looks just like Mama's. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. Get it off. Please be a doe. Please be a doe. Please be a doe. And looks like we got a little doe. Oh. There you go. Oh. Let you all dry off. Come on. Get you dry off. Hi. Oh, you're shivering. And you're a little girl too. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, little nuggets. Hi. 2 girls and a boy.
I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
So we're gonna let Sadie just hang out with her babies for a little bit and finish cleaning them off. And now we are on our way out to find Carla and her calf because it has gotten really windy and a little bit chilly. So we want to make sure we want to check on the calf, and we're gonna put a calf blanket on him just because we're supposed to get more rain and ice and possibly snow over the next 24 hours. We just want to make sure he stays nice and warm, but first we gotta find him. Hi, Carla. Where is your moo-moo?
Oh, there he is.
Oh my goodness. Hi there, sweetie. Oh, hi.
You alright? It's dry.
Yeah?
What, Carla?
She wants the scratches.
Want scratches?
Over his head.
Beat him up.
Mine makes a good windbreak, I guess. Alright, so now that everyone's pretty much dried off, we're going to go ahead and get their umbilical cords trimmed, and we're going to dip them in iodine, and then we're going to attempt to milk out Sadie because she is very engorged and it's kind of hard for the babies to get a good latch. It's okay. It's okay. No, I know. There you go.
Oh, my love, you're such a fragile thing, I know. And with the winter comes the ice, the snow. But I'm here to
Alright, now that everyone's nice and cleaned up, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add everybody to my kid tracker. I have this as a free printable on the website. I will link it down below. And so the next thing we just got to do is get everybody's weight so we can get that annotated down. Oh, I know, you're a lively one, aren't you? Oh, yes, you are. Wait, 2 pounds. 2 ounces. Yeah, you're a little guy. Look at you. Alright, let's get your weight. Oh, all the way on there, buddy. There you go, girl. Alright, you are 1.7 pounds. Look at you. Here's your doors. Alright, and last but not least. Oh, you're a chunky one, huh? You're 2.5. Oh, you're so chunky. Look at the chunkies. Alright, so it is the next day, actually. We've been kind of busy. And Ella just went into labor. She just finished having one, which is underneath her. So we got to get her cleaned up. And it looks like we'll be hanging out here for a while she delivers.
No, my love, don't worry about the cold just yet. The trees haven't started to shed. Just feel the summer sun as it warms our bed. I'm I'm lying when I say I'm not afraid, but I'm trying to shelter my love. The seasons come and they go, but I hope you know that I won't.
Alright, so we went and we did chores and just to leave her alone because she didn't look like she wanted us around. But so far she has had 2 little bucklings and then this adorable little doeling. And so far everybody's doing pretty good considering she decided that she was going to give birth on the coldest day of the year so far. Good morning, y'all. It's been a few days since I last filmed when Ella had her babies. She ended up having 2 bucks. One was almost 4.5 pounds. And a doeling, and they're all doing great. They're actually inside because we've been covered in ice for the last few days. I mean, We couldn't walk without slipping and falling because it was so icy. So now that the ice finally started to melt, I can get back to recording. But today is kind of a bittersweet day. Ella is going to a new home with one of her bucklings. And we decided we're going to keep 2 of Sadie's. She had 2 doelings and a buckling. So we're going to keep those 2 doelings because why not? But first, before we get into the rest of everything, I got to get Sadie milk. So let's go. Right. And since it was so cold and all the rain and sleet, we decided that we needed to build a makeshift pen for Carla and her baby because he was shivering and we wanted to make sure he was warm. So we ended up taking the piggy palace that we built for the pigs that was all the way over there. And we moved it over here into the old farrowing pen for the pigs and just built it up a little bit in the freezing rain so they'd have someplace to go, and it worked out pretty well. But now that it's starting to melt and everything's starting to warm up, we're gonna let Carla and her baby out. Huh, hi girl.
When I'm with you, I'm not myself. You bring out the best in me, the side of you can't see. And I don't need any other help than you standing by my side. If only for a while. I'm going through changes, and so are you. I live for the moments when you're around me. I know you've got secrets, but I can't keep them. And we're fading in and out together. The field's wide open, stuck in the moment. The field's wide open, stuck in the moment. The field's wide open, stuck in the moment.
Alright y'all, so that is what I've got for you guys today. It has been a very busy few days with all the babies. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every week. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Can I help you, Valkyrie? Hi. Oh, thank you.
New day. It is waiting for